Hello dear children, a very warm welcome to the maths class. I am sure you all are good, you all are doing well, you all are happy, healthy and in a cheerful mood and safe in your homes. Stay safe children, take all the necessary precautions, keep yourself in good health and be happy and cheerful so that you attend the classes also in a cheerful mood. This is our maths class children and we are doing chapter number 8, which is working with numbers till 100. In this chapter we have done the numbers from 51 to 100. That means how do we get the next number that we have done? Then we have done the number names also. After that we did the number 100. How do we get it? The number 100. Okay. Now we all know that 99 is the largest two-digit number, and when we add 1 to any number, we get the next number. So, the number 99 plus 1, the number 100, that is 100. So, how do we get this? We know that when we add 1 to any number, we get the next number. So 99 plus 1. Now 99 means there are 9 tens. In number 99, there are 9 tens and 9 ones. So in addition, in place of the word and, we write plus. So 9 tens plus 9 ones plus this 1 is already there, plus 1. Okay, so 9 tens, that is 9 tens is 9 tens and 9 ones plus 1. So 9 ones plus 1 become 10 ones. Now in place of 10 ones, we write 1 10. In place of 10 ones, we write 1 10. We all know that 10 ones means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10 ones. But किसी भी चीज के 10 के ग्रुप को हम we take it as 110. 10 ones को हम 110 लेते हैं, है ना? So in place of 9 tens, in place of 10 ones, I have written 110. Now 9 10 plus 110. That is 10 tens. 9 tens plus 110 is 10 tens. And 10 tens means 10 times 10. That means 10 plus 10. 10 को हमने 10 times add किया. So when we add 10 times, we get 100. So this is how we get 100. Now 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. 1 से लेके 9 तक हम पहले काउंट करते हैं. 1 to 9, these are all single digit numbers. So 1 is the smallest single digit number and 9 is the greatest single digit number. When we add 1 to 9, we get 10 and 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. फिर 10 से लेके 99 तक all the numbers are 2-digit numbers. So 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. When we add 1 to 99, we get 100. Now 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. Sorry. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. Starting from 100, we continue the counting and we go till 999. 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. When we add 1, we get the smallest 4-digit number and so on. And जैसा पहले भी मैंने बताया, I have told you earlier also that numbers never end. They are unending. नंबर्स का कोई एंड नहीं होता है, दे आर काउंटलेस, काउंटिंग की कोई कहीं पे भी आगे काउंटिंग रुकती नहीं है, काउंटिंग इज एंडलेस. ओके, आफ्टर दैट we have done writing practice, that is writing numbers from 51 to 100. We had started reverse counting. I will start from here today. फिर से आज इसको हम करेंगे. Reverse counting. What is reverse counting? Reverse counting means backward counting. ठीक है, जो हम पीछे के साइड चलते हैं. In addition, we move ahead. We do forward counting because when we add two numbers, we get the third number, which is always greater than the two numbers. ठीक है? So in addition, we move ahead. We do forward counting. In subtraction, we do backward counting. Because in subtraction, we are taking away. ठीक है? 10 में से 2 निकाल दिया हमने, तो we are left with 8. So 10 में से 2 माइनस किया, मतलब 10, 9, we are left with 8. So reverse counting means counting from back. Abhi, if I have to do forward counting from 1 to 100, I will count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on till 100. Reverse counting from 100 to 1, that means we will start counting from 100. Now this is on page number 86, reverse counting. Reverse counting is same as backward counting. जैसे जब व्हीकल को पीछे लाना होता है, जब आगे जाना होता है, तब तुम फर्स्ट ब्रेक, फर्स्ट गियर, सेकंड गियर, थर्ड गियर डालते हैं, फोर्थ गियर डालते हैं. जब पीछे करना होता है व्हीकल को, देन वी पुट इट इन रिवर्स गियर. रिवर्स माने पीछे आना. तो अभी 100 से हमको जब करना है, तो 100 स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 100. Forward counting में we keep on adding 1, then 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4 and so on. In reverse counting we keep on taking out 1. This 100 minus 1 99, 99 minus 1 98, 98 minus 1 97, 97 minus 1 96, then 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. So here you can see that we are taking away 1 from each number. 1 number हम सब में से निकालते जा रहे हैं. 91, then 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, then 82, 81, then 80. ठीक है, so you just by seeing it, you can see that we are taking out 1 from each number. एक एक नंबर, हम हर एक नंबर से 1 माइनस करते जा रहे हैं and we are moving back. 80, then 80 के बाद क्या होगा? 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, then 70. Okay? 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60. So you can make out कि हम 1 number 1 पीछे आते जा रहे हैं. We are coming back. 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, and then 50. 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41 and 40. Then 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. Okay? I will rub this one. I will rub the first 3 lines. So you can see that from each number we are taking away 1. हर एक नंबर से हम 1 1 माइनस करते जा रहे हैं टू कम बैकवर्ड. आगे आने के लिए वी कीप ऑन एडिंग 1 एंड पीछे आने के लिए टू कम बैकवर्ड वी कीप ऑन टेकिंग आउट 1. सो 31, देन 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, then 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 100 से start करके we have reached 1. So 1 to 9 is these are single digit number. 1 is the smallest single digit number and 9 is the greatest 2 digit number. Sorry, single digit number. Then 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is the smallest 2 digit number and 99 is the greatest 2 digit number. After 99 we reach 100. 100 is the smallest 3 digit number and so on. So this is how we write the numbers in backward counting, or you can also say reverse counting. Reverse मतलब पीछे आना. Forward counting we start from 1. If we have to write the numbers in forward counting from 1 to 100, we write from 1 and we continue till 100. In reverse counting or in backward counting, we start from 100 and come back till 1. Okay? Now let us move ahead. Now we will be starting with expanded form. Expanded form we have done earlier also. That is writing the numbers in terms of ones and tens. Numbers को उनकी place value के according लिखना, उनकी place के साथ लिखना. Expanded form का मतलब है कि किसी भी नंबर को उसकी प्लेस के साथ लिखना. Now, as I have already told you, each digit in a number has a fixed place. Each digit in a number has a fixed place. That means the place is fixed. उस प्लेस पे जो डिजिट्स होंगी वो चेंज होती रहेंगी अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर. लाइक इन 2 digit नंबर देयर आर 2 places, ones and tens. Place is always started from the right side. This place, first place will always be ones, then tens, उसके बाद अभी hundreds and so on. ठीक है? This place will never change. This one will always remain here. Tens will always remain here. ठीक है? Place is never change. Place कभी change नहीं होती है. The number is 52. So there are 5 tens and 2 ones. The number is 61. So 6 tens and 1 one. The number is 30. 3 tens and 0 ones. The place is fixed, ones and tens. According to the number, the digit keeps changing. 52 है तो 5 tens and 2 ones. 61 6 tens 1 1. 30 3 tens 0 1. Okay, so according to the number इस प्लेस पे डिजिट चेंज हो रही है बट द प्लेस रिमेन्स द सेम. प्लेस अपनी जगह पर ही रहती है. ठीक है. So in this exercise we have to write the numbers in expanded form. EXPANDED, expanded form. Expanded form I have explained earlier also कि expanded form का मतलब होता है नंबर्स को एक्सपैंड करके लिखना, मतलब बड़ा करके लिखना. ठीक है. सो वी कैन राइट द नंबर्स इन बोथ वेज. वी कैन राइट द नंबर इन एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म एंड वी कैन राइट इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑल्सो फ्रॉम एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म. कोई भी एक नंबर दिया हुआ है उसको हम एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं एंड इफ इट इज गिवन इन एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म वी कैन राइट द न्यूमरल ऑल्सो फॉर इट. ओके. Now, see first example, 56. The number 56. 56 का मतलब क्या हुआ? 50 plus 6. 56 is 50 plus 6. Okay? जैसे हम द नंबर नेम को जैसे रीच करते हैं वैसे राइट लिखते हैं. सो 56 मीन्स 50 प्लस 6. नाउ 50 मीन्स 50 का मतलब क्या हुआ? 50 मीन्स 5 tens. 50 मीन्स 5 tens प्लस एंड 6 मीन्स 6 ones. सो हाउ डू वी राइट दिस इन न्यूमरल? इसको हम न्यूमरल में कैसे लिखेंगे? 56. ओके. न्यूमरल में तो हम जैसे द वे वी प्रोनाउंस अ नंबर, द वे वी से अ नंबर, सेम थिंग वी राइट इन न्यूमरल. 56. ठीक है. 56 तो 56. 56 मीन्स 50 प्लस 6. दैट मीन्स 5 tens and 6 ones. So this is 50 plus 6, that is 5 tens plus 6 ones. The number is 56. Okay, so the number name is given. नंबर नेम दिया हुआ है. फर्स्ट वी हैव रिटन इट इन एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म. पहले हमने एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म में लिखा, फिर हमने उसका न्यूमरल लिखा. क्लियर? ओके. सपोज अनदर नंबर इज 65. 65. So 65 means 60 plus 5. 65 का मतलब क्या हुआ? 60 plus 5. तो 60 means 6 tens and 5 means 5 ones. So 60 plus 5, that is 65. ठीक है. तो एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म का मतलब उसको नंबर को इन टर्म्स ऑफ इट्स प्लेस, मतलब उसकी प्लेस के साथ हम लिख रहे हैं. 65 that is 60 plus 5, तो 6 tens plus 5 ones. 60 is 6 tens and 5 is 5 ones only. $78. No, 78. 78. So how do we write it in numeral? नंबर नेम है, उसको हम न्यूमरल में कैसे लिखेंगे? 70 plus 8. Now 70 plus 8, that is 7 tens plus 8 ones is equal to 78. Okay? So I hope children this is clear. Now we will do the exercise on page number 86. Okay? The exercise is fill in the placeholders. Fill in the placeholders by writing numbers in figures. Fill in the placeholders by writing numbers in figures. That means the number name is given, we have to write it in figure. Okay, for example, 78. 78 means, how do we write this? 78 means 70 plus 8, that is 7 tens plus 8 ones. The number is 78. 85. 85, the number name given is 85. So how do we write it? 80 plus 5. That is 8 tens plus 5 ones. 8 tens plus 5 ones is equal to 85. Okay? 69. Now 69, that is, जैसे we are writing here, जैसे हम number को read कर रहे हैं, exactly in the same manner we are writing it. So 69, that is 60 plus 9. 69 is 60 plus 9. Now 60 means 6 tens and 9 means 9 ones. That is 69. Seventy-two. 72, that is 72 का मतलब क्या हुआ? 70 and 2. 72 means 70 and 2. In addition, we use the sign of plus. In place of and की जगह हम plus का sign use कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? तो 72, that is 70 plus 2. Now 70 means 7 tens and 2 means 2 ones. The number is 72. Okay? (91). Now 91 means 90 and 1. 91 का मतलब क्या हुआ? 90 and 1. So in place of and, I am using the sign of plus. So 90 plus 1. Now 90 means 9 tens plus 1 is equal to 91. Okay? (98). So 98 means 90 and 8. 98 का मतलब क्या हुआ? 90 and 8. So in place of and, I've used the sign of plus. So 90 plus 8. Now 90 means 9 tens plus 8 means 8 ones. So the number is 98. Okay? There are a few more exercises left. Next is 62. So 62 means 60 and 2. 62 का मतलब क्या हुआ? 60 and 2. So in place of and, I have used the sign of plus. So 60 means 6 tens and 2 means 2 ones. So 6 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 62. Okay? Then 59. So 59, this is the number name, and how do we write it in numeral? 59 means 50 and 9. 59 means 50 and 9, that is 50 plus 9. So 50 means 5 tens and 9 means 9 ones. That is 59. Okay? Then 77. Now 77 means 70 plus 7. 77 is 70 plus 7. 7 tens plus 7 ones is equal to 77. Okay? 70. 70 means 70 only. There is no 1. So in place of 1, we can write 0. Since there is no 1, it is only 70. So we can write 70 plus 0. Now 70 means 7 tens plus 0. 1 की place पे कुछ है नहीं, तो 0 we will write as it is, 0 ones, that is 70. Okay? $83. 83 means 80 and 3. 83 means 80 and 3. So in place of and, I have used plus. And की जगह मैंने क्या यूज किया? प्लस यूज किया. So 83, 80 is 8 tens plus 3 ones is equal to 83. Okay? $64. 64, that is 60 and 4. तो in place of and we can write plus. एडिशन में and का मतलब होता है और. 50 and 4, 54, that is 50 and 4. So 50 and 4 means 50 plus 4. जैसे हम सिंपल एडिशन भी करते हैं, we add 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 means 5 and 9. That means we are bringing together 5 and 9. अभी 5 ऑब्जेक्ट्स है या द नंबर 5 है, कुछ भी है, वी आर ब्रिंगिंग टुगेदर 5 एंड 9. सो इन एडिशन एंड का मतलब है प्लस. सो 64 मीन्स 60 एंड 4. 60 एंड 64 का मतलब है 60 एंड 4. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ एंड वी हैव यूज्ड द साइन ऑफ प्लस. तो 60 प्लस 4. नाउ 60 मीन्स 6 tens and 4 means 4 ones, that is 64. So I hope children this is clear to you. This is how we write the numbers in expanded form. Expanded का form का मतलब है कि writing the numbers in terms of its place. Here 62 को हमने कैसे लिखा? 62 को हमने लिखा 6 tens plus 2 ones. That means I have written 62 in terms of its places of the digit. मतलब उस नंबर 62 में किस डिजिट की कौन सी प्लेस है, उसकी प्लेस के साथ हमने लिखा है. ठीक है? तो 62, that is 60 and 2, 60 plus 2. तो 60, that means 6 tens and 2, that means 2 ones. So the number becomes 60 plus 2 is equal to 62. So in this manner we can write any number in expanded form. We have done the numbers till 100 now, but we have done, अभी हमने places सिर्फ ones and tens पढ़ी हैं. Now since 100 is the smallest 3-digit number, अभी 100 onwards जितने number होंगे till 999, all the numbers will have 3 digits. So अभी एक place और उसमें बढ़ जाएगी, ones, tens and hundreds, because we have now reached 100. That we will do later. So I hope till now whatever we have done, it is understood by you. सबको समझ में आ गया है. And if there is any doubt, any query, you can always ask me in the online class the next day. So that is all for today, children. Thank you so much.